There are two items that we need to install to use as part of this intake process. The first one is related to the custom button that we will have where we add new households and new participants. To have that button and many other amazing components, you can go to unofficialsalesforce.com and then navigate to flows. Here we have installable flows base packs. So we need to install these base packs. And then down here we have two. We have flow actions base pack and we have flow screens components base pack. The screen components are based off the actions base pack, so we're going to need to install the action base pack first. You can log in. After you log in, you can select to install to admins only. It's interesting. I have an earlier version, so we can go ahead and do that. Let's install for admins only, acknowledge, and then upgrade. After this completes, then we're going to repeat the same thing for the screens component base pack where we install it in production. I'm just in a trial org. You might want to try this in a sandbox first. And that's the same steps. You just do the screens components after we have the actions base pack installed. You log in again, you select install for admins and install, and that's it. We're going to see how we can use these components in a future recording. The second one we need is the data fetcher, and you can find this on the App Exchange. Let's get this data fetcher. Select the org where you need to install this. And just confirm and install. Same thing, we're gonna have to log into the org and just select for admins only and install.